Hello, everyone, and thank you for being a part of our automation tools, including GLabs Automator, Whisk Automator, and ImageFX Automator. We have an important update to share. As many of you may know, the Whisk platform is gradually shutting down. Because of this, all tools that rely on it, including GLabs Automator, Whisk Automator, and ImageFX Automator, are currently affected. To ensure a smooth transition, we are actively developing a new update that will make all of these tools fully compatible with the Flow platform, while maintaining the same familiar experience you are used to. Based on user feedback, we have delayed releasing this update until April 30th. This allows you to continue using the existing setup with Whisk for as long as it remains available. There's no need to worry about your subscription. The updated version will be released within the next 3 days, depending on store review timelines. With this update, you will continue to get the same workflow and features, now optimized for the Flow platform across all our tools. We truly appreciate your patience and support during this transition. Thank you again for your continued support. Stay tuned for the update.